couple of weeks ago, I found a lovely surprise in my garden. Naked ladies. I have naked ladies everywhere. Naked ladies are also known as Amaryllis belladonna. And I thought I'd share with you some of my fun, unexpected flowers. When I was a little girl, one of the houses that we lived in had on the side of the yard a bunch of beautiful pink flowers that didn't have any leaves. And my grandmother, well, my great-grandmother, Margaret Maney, told me that they were called naked ladies. And of course, I was about 8 or 9 years old, and I was completely scandalized and titillated. Naked ladies, how shocking. And ever since then, I have always had a fondness for naked ladies. I also have a fondness for mourning doves, and I wonder, are they here? No, they're not here right now. But I usually have a pair of mourning doves that sit right out here, and sometimes they're joined by a few others. Usually I'll have like 6 mourning doves that sit out in what will be the meadow. But very excited to find that I have Amaryllis belladonna. It is poisonous. It's not coming in the house. I'm not cutting these flowers. I'm not bringing them in. I'm not bringing the cats outside to enjoy them. They're only going to be here a short time. They are a bit of surprise in the space of my yard down by my studio. That is not what I was planning on doing with that space. And now I have to come up with something different or transplant all of the belladonna that's down there, which could happen. I did look it up. You're supposed to transplant Amaryllis belladonna after the flower dies while the foliage is coming in. So we'll see if I choose to do that. But for now, I'm enjoying the naked ladies that I have in my yard. I even had them pop up right here in the middle of the coyote bush. I love you bunches. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day, and I will talk to you very soon. What are some surprise, wonderful plants that you found in your yard?